if we will run this code, you can see that, for example, here the average is 4.66 and something. So it means I would like to round the number. So we will use a round method, and I will put here one decimal number. So it means if I will run it again, you can see that from 4.66666 and so on, it's 4.7. Okay, here is 4.0, and here is 3.0. Okay, so it looks much better. Perfect. So we run it. But the problem is, so for example, I will maybe erase this print because we don't need that, like this. So the problem is, what if the book one, there is no rating? So it means that we will create an average for empty list. So if I will run it, you can see that it's a problem because it's a division by 0. You can see 0 division error, division by 0. So it means here is 0, and you can't divide it by 0. Maybe you remember from the math class. So it means that we need to take care about this situation. Okay, so there are only two states. The list is empty, or there is something in the list. So here we need to tell, okay, we want to return something like this, but there has to be something in the list, correct? So I will say if self ratings. Okay, and now I would like to return none. So it means if this list is empty, I would like to return none. If it is not empty, I would like to return this. So here will this work? So what do you mean? So what do you think? So here self ratings, if it is empty, so what will be the result? Here is self ratings is empty, so it means this is false. So if it is empty, this will be false, so this will run, and that's not correct, right? So we need say if this is empty, this needs to be run, correct? So how we can do that? We can put here not option. So it means we negation. We need to negate this self ratings. Okay. So now if the self rating is empty, so this will be empty. So this will be false because empty list is false. So false will be negate to true, and the true means that this will return. Okay, if there will be something, for example, there will be number 5 or something like that, so it means this will be true, so it means we negate it to false. False means this will be skipped, and we print this, and that's exactly what we need, correct? So I hope, guys, that you understand. So now it should work. So if I will run it, you can see we have none. So we don't have any error, we have none. I will clear it, run it again. You can see we have there is no error, it's only none, because we take care about this problem with empty list. So if the self ratings is an empty list, this will be run. If it is not, so it means it's something there in the list, this will be run. Okay, so guys, I hope that you understand.